Managing your scheduled Smart One-on-Ones is easy in the Reclaim Planner and in Google Calendar. In the planner, you'll see your Smart One-on-Ones scheduled either as a solid color or with a dashed outline. When the event is a solid time block, the Smart One-on-One is marked as busy, and that time has been secured for your meeting. A dashed outline shows that the Smart One-on-One is still scheduled as free, meaning there's room to reschedule it around meeting preferences should something else come up. As the meeting start time draws near or Reclaim runs out of room to reschedule it, it will automatically flip to busy to secure that time. In the planner, you can click on any scheduled Smart One-on-One event to pull up its details, join the meeting, access a linked agenda or notes, and see past and upcoming instances for that meeting. If you're the meeting organizer, you'll also have the option to make edits to your meeting preferences. Right-clicking a Smart One-on-One event in the planner will pull up additional options for both the organizer and attendee, like locking the meeting where it's currently scheduled, rescheduling the meeting to another day or time, or skipping that meeting instance altogether. Manually dragging and dropping the event to a different time or extending the duration will also update the meeting details for that specific event. But it's important to note that any manual changes you make to a Smart One-on-One event will not apply to future instances or automatically consider the other attendees' availability. In Google Calendar, your Smart One-on-Ones are still labeled as free or busy with either a free emoji or a shield emoji. You can manage your scheduled Smart One-on-Ones as regular calendar events in Google Calendar to get the same smart actions as in the planner. RSVPing no to a Smart One-on-One event tells Reclaim to auto-reschedule it to the next available day. And if you're the organizer, deleting the event tells Reclaim to skip that one-on-one instance until the next scheduled meeting. The Google Calendar event will also pull up a video conferencing link or location and any attached agendas or notes. Just like in the planner, you can also drag and drop your Smart One-on-Ones to manually reschedule or edit duration. Manual edits will automatically lock the habit to secure your new preferences for that event instance. Manual edits will also override Reclaim coordinating both people's availability. To avoid rescheduling the meeting to an inconvenient time for the other attendee, pull up Google Calendar's Find a Time feature to make sure everyone's free. For even more scheduling controls for your Smart One-on-Ones in Google Calendar, install the free Reclaim add-on to see additional meeting details, make edits to the Smart One-on-One meeting if you're the organizer, view upcoming instances, and lock, reschedule, or skip the meeting right from Google Calendar if plans change, so you're always on top of your one-on-one meetings.